Hello YouTube family, a very good morning from my kitchen here. This morning I'm actually preparing some lunch and I'm cooking my own version of chicken tikka. This is the ingredients. Look at this. So you see I got cubes of breast chicken in there. I put a bit of turmeric, tomato, onion, olive oil and some sea salt. So that one, can you see the color? It's coming up very well. Look at that. So I'm going to have this with some plain rice. Stay tuned and I'm going to make you salivate whether you like it or not. So in a minute I'll be doing some rice and getting it ready for lunch time. So I got some jasmine fragrant rice. That's what I'm going to use, and I'll use a little pot because it's just 1 meal. That's for the day. So that's how it looks like. It almost looks like basmati. You can mistake it for basmati, but this is called jasmine. So I'll be putting that in here. Yeah, so I'm just going to boil it a bit, let it steam up, and then bring out the starchy water. Put a bit of pinch of salt and some olive oil in there. Yeah, so the rice is just steaming up and the tikka is ticking. That's it, the tikka is ticking. So I'm just going to remove the starchiness, just wash it and then put it on a slow cook. And then I'll add some bit of olive oil and a pinch of salt. So I just need to get rid of that heavy starch. The chicken tikka is actually ready now. Look at that. Nice and steamy. Look at that. Oh, and it smells so delicious. By the way, I added some garlic in there and I also put a bit of yogurt in there. So in the rice, I put a pinch of sea salt and some olive oil, and it's looking good, ready to be consumed.